design creating concept where we can mix and blend the residential comfort with commercial functionality. So this is also give work-life balance, and also this style is towards creating the environment which is very welcoming, relaxing, stress-free, functional, and also the sustainable environment. What is exactly this design style is? So, and what are the features and elements we use in a incorporating when we create a commercial or a residential space? So the key element for achieving the sustainable environment resimercial design look is play a key role is in my thinking is a bring outdoor living in. So what does this mean? It means the sustainable environment need a natural, it need to be connected to the natural environment. So bring outdoor living in can achieve this look by incorporating the large tall windows and door, floor to ceiling windows and door, and natural light to bring in to the environment, and also the green living walls, green roofs, and adding the plants into the atmosphere, so that relieve the stress down and promote the sustainability more. And another key element to incorporate when we design under the resimercial concept to incorporate with the technology integration. So the technology integration is increase the productivity and automatically it create a balance in between the work and life. So for technology integration, we can think about its smart home features, solar energy bring in, and also the soundproofing into the environment. And we can integrate with a home office environment and also the commercial environment as well. So if we have a built-in ready appliances, built-in ready millwork, and also the task lighting, comfortable seating, and multifunctional furniture, and also the low volatile paints to use. So these are also the element to bring the energy into the environment and balance the work-life situation. And I think this resimercial concept started after the pandemic time, when the world is shifted towards the work home environment, and also everybody looking the sustainability in their lifestyle. So then they can start mix and match of this concept to bring the functionality of a commercial environment into the residential comfort, and vice versa. You can bring the residential comfort to the commercial space. Then the commercial place is also be a stress level will be down, and more healthy and well-being environment can be created, and more functional as well. So, and productive too. And another thing what we can consider as a key element to which can be bring energy into the environment in the resimercial design concept, to use the sustainable material like reclaimed wood, composite panels, metals, and glass, also the precious stones. Precious stone like a countertop with a marble, agate, onyx. These precious stone play a very significant role to make a stress level down and do a sustainable lifestyle can be created through them. So you can think about it must be you have a question in your mind that is it look like a very expensive, because everything is a precious, we can use the metals are very expensive, the precious stone is more expensive like a onyx, but you can think if how you can achieve this look. with substitute as well. So in a decor side, if we can substitute with the precious stone, with the resin art, which is mimic image of a geode and agate and multi the different resin revertables. So you can see behind me, this is a resin mimic wall art, then geode wall art, the custom art, custom furniture to these elements. When we add element as a decor purpose for any space, like a commercial space or a residential space, so it means you bring positive energy in, which can transform the environment of the space and make a stress level down, make your mind, body, soul is very relaxed. Then it means automatically you will be more productive, right? So in my opinion, the resimercial design make a huge impact on a work-life balance and for the promotion of a sustainable life environment. And also like my personal is for I like a modern resimercial design concepts, but we can achieve this for the other environment as well. Like if somebody thinking about a classic home or transitional home or like a traditional homes, or the same thing for like the commercial space, like a hospitality environment or retail environment or the saloon, restaurant, these all things. If we can incorporate with the reclaimed wood, with the task lighting, with the